Hey grillers, Nathan here from Canadian Barbecue Boys, coming to you today with one of the most common issues for propane barbecues, which is resetting your propane regulator. So a lot of barbecuers will have this issue and not understand what's going on. It's the main issue when troubleshooting the barbecue, especially when you can't get your barbecue up to temperature. A lot of the times when you're frequently replacing or putting a new one in, disconnecting, putting it back on, your regulator to your propane tank, you're going to have this issue where the safety valve inside of the barbecue regulator will actually stop the flow of gas through to the barbecue. This causes a low flame, as seen in the video here. It'll cause a low flame and not allow your barbecue to get up to the temperature needed. What you really want is your barbecue to look like this. At full blast, you want to be able to see those flames and feel those flames so that it actually cooks your meat and gets your barbecue up to 475, 500 degrees, whatever you need your barbecue at. So we'll take it down to the barbecue regulator here. So we're going to pull our barbecue propane tank out, obviously turn it off to start, so close it up. Alrighty. A lot of the time when you have the propane regulator issues, what's going to happen is when you pull this off, it's going to make a kind of sound because there's gas stuck in here. There. I'm not sure if you guys caught that, but it was in there. So we're going to take it out, lay it down, make sure this is closed. Perfect. And what we're going to do is come up here and turn the burners on full blast. Obviously there's no gas in it, but it's going to clear that line and make sure that any residue that was in the burners of that gas that's stuck will go straight through. So we're going to leave it like this for about 60 seconds and then go ahead and reattach it. So now that 60 seconds is past here, we're going to go ahead and turn off the barbecue knobs, make sure no gas is running through. Then we're going to go ahead and reattach the propane regulator. And this can be used on anything, not just barbecues. It can also be used on, patio heaters, fire pits, anything like that. Anything with a propane tank and regulator. Perfect. And then what we're going to do is slowly open it. So you want to open it a tiny little bit, very slow, and then go fast. So like this, slow, and then open it fully. Perfect. Then you can close it up, and your barbecue's back to normal. Thanks so much, and happy grilling.